How to secretly record video with Android phone. Welcome to a teach for you. Many times it is possible that someone wants to disturb us or extort money from us, and we need to record video from him secretly so that we can later prove our words to the police. But the main thing is that we have to record the video in such a way that he never finds out, even if he opens the mobile phone and checks its contents. There are many applications for secretly recording videos on Android phones, but most of them do not have many features and do not work completely secretly and might cause you trouble. But don't worry, the application that I want to introduce to you does not have this problem, but you need to change some settings of the application so that it works properly. Follow me to explain step by step. The name of this application is Background Video Recorder Pro, and I will put its download link in the description section. But before installing this application, I ask you to use it only when necessary and to defend yourself, and not to use it for improper and unethical uses. And please respect the privacy of others, because otherwise your action will be prosecuted. After you download the desired program from the link in the description, first enter My Files, then enter the internal memory and enter the Downloads folder. And find the program and install it. If you see this message, don't worry, because there is no danger to your device. Then click on the More Detail option and choose Install Anyway. And at this stage the program will ask you to enter your password or fingerprint as a sign of confirmation. Then wait for the program to install and click on the Open. After installing the program, we go to the home screen and hold our finger on the main icon of the program. Then in the menu that opens, click on the Program Information option to enter this page. Then we give the necessary permissions to the program, just like the video. Then we enter the battery settings and set it to the first option so that Android does not stop the program while recording. In this section, we must allow the program to run on other programs, and this is very important. We enter the program again and enter the top left menu and select the settings, and in the Open page, we make settings such as a tutorial. Turn off the first and fourth options, but turn on the second and third options. Then specify the location of the videos in this section. Try to use a memory card so as not to take up space. Note that the path of your choice should be complex and long so that no one can easily access it. We don't change this option, but in the camera section we can determine whether our secret filming is done with the front camera or the rear camera. Make sure that the settings are exactly like this. We have nothing to do with the other options except the timer option, which we have to turn off. We have nothing to do with the custom notification bar option, but make sure it is turned off. In this section, you can determine the format of the name of your videos, and it can include seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, and years. In this section, you can specify a prefix for the name of the videos. And in this section, you can determine the output format of the videos. Set the video orientation to auto and set the video resolution to 1080 HD and set the audio source to the first option. If you want your videos to be recorded without sound, turn this option on, otherwise turn it off. Like the video, we have nothing to do with the next 4 options. In this section, we can determine the maximum length of our video, how many minutes, and in this section, we can determine the maximum size of the video. We have nothing to do with the next 6 options and we skip them. But in the 8th option, we can determine what the main icon of the program should be. In this way, if someone enters our phone, they will not know that this program is for secret filming. In addition to the main icon of the program, there is another shortcut icon to start recording on the home screen. In this section, we can change its shape to a flashlight, for example, like the previous icon, so that no one does it. As you can see, by clicking on this icon, the program starts secretly recording the video. Also, if you want no warning about video recording to be displayed in this section, just enter the notification settings of the program and turn off this option. We go back to the program settings. By turning on these 2 options, your recorded videos will be hidden from the gallery and other programs. And by turning on this option and entering a password in this section, you can protect the program. And finally, in this section, you can specify the dark and light mode of the program. I hope this tutorial is useful for you and you use this program correctly. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe because it will help me create better tutorials for you with more energy. If you want to know how to hide application icons from the home screen, then watch this tutorial. And if you want to know how to start recording video or audio or any other action without turning on the phone screen and just by pressing one of the home or volume keys, then watch this tutorial.